So this introductory dashboard takes or retrieves the generated data from the other dashboard that records T numbers, the lowest modulus in the evaluated 40 T's for each loop. So it's recording the degree at what unit circle point was it recorded, what degree, what increment. If it's incremented by 45, then was it 45, 90, 135, 180, 270, and actually 360 is recorded as 0 because it was I used the formula modulus 360. So the degree, which is the k times the increment, so the number times increment, can go really high, thousands of degrees as it loops. Then I take the modulus and then 360 to get the actual point in the unit circle. And so in the unit circle, it actually moves counterclockwise. So quadrant 1 is in the right, top right, and then it ends in the right, the bottom right. So we can also, it actually also retrieves this dashboard. This first dashboard just retrieves one folder at a time, so you have to select which folder, and then it retrieves all the file names, which contains so many details like the cosines, the sines. I made some changes in the other dashboard. I did not record the cosine and sine, the first one, because you can easily get that with the degree, the 360 degree. And so the cosine and sine here is the outputted cosine and sine when you enter that information, the T number and the n terms, the calculated T and n terms given radian. So that's why, and then that is sound, so there's a whole zeta function. So that's why the cosine and the sines are all different from the origin. So it can be very negative, even though originally that angle should be positive, x. So there's so the outputs can really vary. And so we can then, once you select a folder, you can then do some basic summary stats, summary statistics, and then you can, so it basically just introduces the recorded data for one folder at a time. So you can then just select the next folder and then X and see how it all differs, which sigma, and these are all the same degree. So we can, the only change is sigma, so you can see which sigma has the lowest modulus, so then the more negative, then I think it actually have a higher modulus, negative modulus. So I think so 0.5 is at the lowest modulus. Actually 0.495 is much lower. The lowest for 0.5 is 0.006, and I think 0.495 is 0.003. And then if you select a higher sigma, then the modulus is much higher. So, and you can see all that in the area 3. You can quickly view the summary stats.